Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are already a subscriber, if you're not, hello, my name is Shannon, also known as UK Curly Girl, and as you can see today is a hair tutorial. I look a bit crazy, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a braid out. Now I've already done a twist out tutorial in the past, but I haven't done an updated braid out tutorial in a long time, and I've got these new products from Afrocentrics which they sent me, which I'm gifted with. So their products I've used in the past and they're really moisturizing, and I find them best used for braid outs and twist outs. So I thought I would show you guys today how I'm going to do it. The weather is much colder here in the UK, unfortunately. So I'm pretty much going to go back to my buns, protective styles, because this wash and go life, there's no point for it, and it's just really making my hair tangly at the moment. Tangly, if that's even a word. My hair is freshly washed. I would usually apply product on my soaking wet hair, but because this is a braid out and I want it to dry quicker than normally, I've just put my hair in a t-shirt. So I'm just going to squeeze any excess water out and let it down so it's not dripping wet as it would usually be. And I'm just going to go ahead and do this braid out. So I have been rocking a middle part in for a long time now, but today I'm going to do a side part in, just because I feel like when you do a braid out it doesn't look as good in a middle part in. I prefer a side part in, so I'm just going to do a side part in on the side that I usually do my side part in. For the front I'm probably going to yeah, I think I'm going to show you guys a braid out that is not on its own, if you get me. So it will be like a cane row. Yeah. First of all, on my damp hair I'm gonna go in with the moisturizing hairspray, which is gonna be like my water in the lock method. So liquid, oil, cream. Actually I'm gonna do LCO, so I'm gonna do liquid, cream, and then oil. I'm going to use this as my liquid. It is 97% natural. It's called Sheen, and it's for afro and curly hair, and it's infused with aloe vera. I love aloe vera in my hair products. Shake well before using, after shampooing and conditioning. Spray on towel dried hair. Look, I even knew what to do before using it. And then yeah, I think you can follow up with their cream, or you can just spray and go, it says. But I know with my hair there's no such thing as spray and go. I've got to apply like how many products. I think I'm going to do chunky braids. So the first one, I'm going to do it about this big. This will be my first braid. So I'm going to show you guys basically how I go in with this, and then I'm going to go in with the smooth, which is again 97% natural, vegan. The spray is vegan as well, and the oil is vegan, so they're all vegan. Ooh. Cream is enriched with shea butter and coconut oil, which is going to be great to use on top of the aloe vera juice, and you also apply to damp hair whilst finger detangling. And then after that I'm going to apply the oil to my ends. It's a hair oil for moisture locking, and it's called Seal, and it's blended with jojoba and castor oil. Love jojoba oil for hair as well, and for the scalp, so I might apply some on my scalp too. This video I am going to speed it up just because it's pretty much simple. I find that people find twist outs a bit more complicated than braids, but I will zoom in on me doing the braids just so you can see, but I'm not going to talk you through it. Enjoy the video and I will catch you at the end. is finally all braided up. It took me about half an hour to 45 minutes probably just to braid up all of my hair, but it's finally braided up, and I'm gonna let it dry a bit, and then I'm going to apply some of the oil, and then I'm gonna show you tomorrow, because I'm gonna let this dry overnight fully, and I'm gonna show you my results tomorrow when I take them down. So that is the finished look. I absolutely love braid outs. Now my hair is just feeling so soft thanks to these natural products by Afrocentrics. Loving my results. So soft, so lightweight. Now I can just kind of leave my hair how it is. And then what I love to do with braid outs is like the next day or so just put it in a pineapple or a bun, and it's just way looser and easier to deal with. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.